Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free welcome email sequence in MailerLite to automatically engage new subscribers. First, log into your MailerLite dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Automations. Click the Create Automation button. Select the trigger when someone subscribes to a form and choose the form you use for new sign-ups. Name your automation, like Welcome Sequence, and click Create. You'll now see the workflow editor. Click Add Email to create the first message in your sequence. A window will open to design your email. For the first email, write a subject line like Welcome. Here's your gift if you have a lead magnet. In the email body, thank them for subscribing and deliver your promised freebie. Use a clear button or link so they can access it easily. Set this email to send. Immediately after entering automation, click Save Now. To add a second email, hover your mouse after the first email and click the plus icon. Select Wait and set a delay, like 2 days later. After the wait step, click the plus icon again and select Add Email. This email could share your most popular blog posts or a helpful tip related to your niche. Set up a third email with another wait period, perhaps for days after the previous one. This email can introduce your main product or service in a helpful, non-salesy way. Once you've added all your emails, click Start Automation in the top right to activate your sequence, and that's it. Your new subscribers will now receive a warm, automated welcome series that builds a relationship from day one. If this helps you onboard new subscribers, let me know what your welcome series is about, and I'll see you in the next one.